Greene, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, northwestern Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cassville, or 10 miles west of Star City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour at quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Westover, Star City, Point Marion, Granville, Cassville, Brookhaven, Blacksville, Mount Morris, Laurel Run, Cheat Lake, Pentarus. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 3 and 22. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 151 and 160. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at